Hello everybody, welcome to this platform solution. Then you have to copy what you have k plus 10 squared equal to 100. Okay, then what are you going to do? We have k plus 10 squared minus 100, which is equal to a 0. Okay, we are going to convert this equation we have right here into difference of two squares. So k plus 10 squared minus 10 squared equal to 0. Okay, so that we shall write here k plus 10 then plus 10 times k plus 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, then what I'm going to do right here, there k plus 20 and k equal to 0. Okay, then after right here we shall write that k equal to negative 20 and k equal to 0. Okay, by checking if your answer is correct. Okay, I have given k plus 10 squared equal to what? 100. Okay, so by pressing we have negative 20 plus 10 squared equal to 100. Okay, question mark, and this shall write that this is negative 10 squared equal to 100. Negative 10 squared, that is 100, which equal to 100. So left hand side equal to right hand side, to mean that this one is correct. Okay, by checking here have k plus plus 10 squared equal to 100, and this is a 0 to get 0 plus 10 equal to 10 squared equal to 100. Okay, so that another answer is correct right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.